In the Department of Chemical Engineering at UCL, we have three types of 3D printers.
The first is our 3D nanoprinter at the CNIE lab, which utilises two-photon polymerization to produce structure of nearly any shape, from a few millimeters down to a couple of hundreds of nanometers. The photo-resins that we are using are biocompatible and non-cytotoxic, excellent for the fabrications of customized biomedical devices, as well as micro-optics, photonics, sensing, and functional surface coating.
This is a desktop SLA 3D printer. It's super small and simple to use, yet provides excellent print quality. The liquid resin is exposed to a laser at the desired location, curing it into a solid model. A variety of resins are available for applications in chemical engineering, tissue engineering, medical research, and dentistry, when parts with complex structures and smooth surfaces are required that cannot be machined through conventional methods. Here is an FDM printer. It deposits the melted filament through a nozzle, forming large structures layer by layer, an excellent addition to any lab or workshop for creating jigs and fixtures, prototypes and proof of concept that would otherwise be costly and time-consuming. Materials available include ABS, ASA, PLA, TPU and Darin, a nylon-based thermoplastic.